Okay, number 3, we are asked to find dy dx. Once again, this is implicit differentiation, so we're going to derive each of these with respect to x. So if there's no x variable, it's going to get a derived thing. So 3y, y to the third becomes 3y squared dy dx, right, because there's no x in there, plus y is just going to be dy dx, and equals 2x, because that's the derivative of x squared. Okay, so we want to get our dy dx's together, right? So I'm going to factor out 3y plus 1, right? There's a plus 1, there's 1 dy dx there on the right. Okay, so then I'm just going to divide both sides by 3y squared plus 1, divide by 3y squared plus 1, and I get E as my answer for this problem right here.